you intend to stay there forever? Kung forever hindi makita si Pastor Kibuloy?
We have some recommendations in my presentation so that we can end this positively, sir. Because as we
remember, that compound is not only being used by Pastor Kibuloy. If you believe he is still there, may mga estudyante dyan nag-aaral na hindi na nakapag-aral. May mga nakatira dyan na hindi na nakatira, pinalabas ninyo doon sa kanilang tinirahan.
Sir.
Merong nagwo-worship dyan na hindi na nakapag-worship dahil nga sa presensya ninyo. So, you mean to say you are willing to sacrifice all these rights, all these human rights of these people because of your firm belief that Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is still there inside that bunker? Talaga naniwala ka na may bunker dyan sa ilalim?
Yes, sir. Sir, if I may, sir.
Yeah.
We are this tenacious in serving these warrants because there are multiple warrants for this person. One of the warrants came out on August 8, 2024.
Okay, you don't need to discuss those warrants. Alam na natin yung lahat. It is available in open source.
But this is quite something, sir.
Ako mismo, I am appealing to Pastor Kibuloy if kung pupwede sana, kung gusto lang niya, I have been a law enforcer before I become a lawmaker. So obviously, my bias is on the side of the law. Since he is facing a warrant of arrest, I am encouraging him kung pwedeng isabit niya sarili niya sa korte. Pero, again, nasa kanya yung decision na yan. He has all his personal reasons kung bakit ayaw niya mag-surrender. Alam ko yan. Pero, talaga bang desidido kayo na uubusin yung mga araw para lang makita siya dyan kahit na wala na kayo makita?